Welcome back to Mega Squad.
Please subscribe!
Today, the team's gonna be doing the well-known blender challenge. Hopefully no one pukes, but let's get straight to it.
What's up, YouTube? We over here, we finna do the blender challenge. You feel me?
Shit better be interesting. I don't know what the fuck we better drink, but it's
Real
gonna be something. We'll find out.
That's good right there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes or no, Costa?
That's another one?
Yeah.
Fuck. Nah.
Already?
Bet. That was pickles, bro?
That lid did not sound appealing at all, bro. Fuck. I was
Yo.
like, count right there.
Some beans or something. right?
Jar. Oh.
Nah. Who put that shit?
Yo, that sound.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You.
I don't like them last round.
That's milk, bro. It better be alcohol.
It's so comfortable.
Silk? Oh, no.
Yes or no?
No, bro. I don't want that.
They were thinking about that, like, nah, I'm good.
Oh, God.
Yes or no?
No.
Yeah. That's milk. Bro. Tell me that shit ain't milk.
Yes or no?
No, bro.
Hell.
I've been saying yes. I just heard that sound. I got one thing in my cup.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
How many I got?
For real?
Okay.
I don't want that one, though.
I'm gonna say no.
Yes or no?
No, bro.
Why?
Cause y'all really be like,
I don't want that.
he said,
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
yeah, but. Fuck, yo. What are you opening right now?
Oh, no. That's on ketchup, nigga.
Oh.
Yes or no?
No, bro. No, not that one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Damn.
an egg,
That's
boy.
a thing.
Ooh, fuck. Ooh, boy. Nah.
Just fucking threw that shit in there like.
Selling up.
Yes or no?
Nah.
No. Nah.
Yo, how many items is there left?
A
Damn.
lot. You guys
A lot.
Yes or no?
No.
No.
You guys are so fucking boring.
That lid. Yeah, like, yeah, I've been saying you.
Yes or no?
No.
Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. Yeah. It's better be scrum delicious.
Yeah.
Of course you said
Costa
yes
heard
to
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on, no.
Uh-huh. Ah.
Come on, twin.
About time. Fuck.
Yeah, I need that.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You really just trust in Costa right now.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
That sounds good as fuck.
Stay trusting. Oh.
Shut up, Donardo.
A little more.
Wow.
Yes or no?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. The fuck? That's ketchup or something.
Oh, shit.
Just ruined all the good that I might have gotten there. Fuck you.
Yes, you fucked up the whole motion in that cup.
But I was like, it ain't finna be that bad.
I want to take this one, honestly. Yes or no? On some real shit. I'm being so real with you guys right now.
Bro.
Say less.
No, I don't want it, though. Don't pour that shit in my cup.
You have nothing, Costa.
How I don't have... I have like 4 items in my shit.
But Milton has a lot more than that.
Because he said yeah. What you mean? You say yeah or no? For the one right there? No.
Oh, I can smell that shit from here.
What?
Whoa.
Bro, I swear to God, I'm not. I'm hearing the sounds in your lives. No cap.
I can smell that shit from here. I don't know what the fuck it is, bro.
Oh God, I'm not seeing.
Hey, yes or no?
It's a
Where's
new
my
one?
drink?
Nothing. Milton, yes or no?
Nah, hell no.
No, bro. No.
Hell yeah.
No.
Yes or no?
Nah, I'm good on that.
Yeah. But
Are we allowed
yo,
to swear in this?
chill.
Fuck. Oh, what?
It's a new item.
Yeah?
Did Milton say that shit?
Yeah.
Milton say yeah?
Mm.
I'm with Milton on this one. Whatever he say, I'm with him. Yeah or no, Milton?
I already said yeah. Is that a new one?
Yes.
Oh, my phone. Nah. Nah, I'm straight.
No.
No?
I swear to fuck, bro. There's no way.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You said yeah. Milton?
I'm good.
Popcorn, nigga?
That was a solid fucking item, bro. I was not a liquid in any shape, way, or form. What the fuck?
Yes or no?
I think this is enough. How many are we gonna fucking put in here?
That's the last one. Yeah.
Swear to God. Okay.
Last one. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm good. Said what? I'm straight.
Why my shit look like that? Somebody stop playing.
Yo, my shit look tasty.
I know.
It's a strawberry smoothie right here.
Aussie looks like a mango one, right?
That's mango pie.
Look like vomit, nigga.
Okay, serve yourselves.
There's an egg in this shit. I said no egg.
What the fuck?
You don't have egg in it.
I'm allergic to eggs, so
No.
I swear to God I'm not drinking that.
Yeah. What the fuck did I just smell, bro?
Stop
No.
playing. Who going next? Who going next? Who going next?
Just take a sip. Just take a sip.
Let me smell it. No.
Dude, bro.
Is that
Out of here. I'm supposed to be sitting here. We're out of here.
but yo shit, smell my shit, nigga. Swear to God.
Pour in the cup. You have to pour in the cup.
Oh, what the
Pour in
fuck?
the cup.
Here's your cheese.
Pour in the cup.
Yeah,
No.
need that. Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh,
Not yet. Pour in
bro, I'm sick to my stomach.
Pour in the cup.
What the fuck did y'all do to us?
Who going next? Who
You
going
guys
next?
can see it after.
Pour
Whatever,
in the
whatever's
cup.
on the table is
I
on the
thought you
table.
were gonna put this up.
Now I'm a drink, but who going next?
Real.
You going next?
Real.
What
You
mean?
might. I don't fuck. What the fuck is might? What is might? I need. I got you. Or
I swear, no. Stop playing. Yo, stop! I can't drink that.
I'm not drinking a quarter of. I'm not drinking a sip.
No, just a sip. Just a sip. Just a sip, guys.
Bro, what the fuck? There's like cheese in this bitch, nigga. Like, bro.
Okay, ready
Hey,
on
cheers.
3, ready?
Wait, but who going next?
Yeah, right. I'm so
It's like hair
serious.
my shit and all, boy.
One.
Alright, that get back a motherfucker. That's what's up.
But
It's good.
Bro, that bit chunky, bro. That bit chunky, bro.
What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Damn.
Okay.
Oh, bro, that bit chunky, bro.
Oh.
Y'all damn. Y'all damn. Chunky, bro. What's in here? Oh my God.
Oh, if you take the downfall door, it was a roll, a lock.
Oh, what? Bro, stop playing, bro. What is that, bro?
Curry powder.
Curry? Curry? Y'all put curry in my shit? Yo, curry. Like, yo.
Oh my god. What's the yo, bro?
Yeah, so.
All right. Yeah, man.
Wow.
I got Nutribullet Blender.
I've never been behind this before.
That's a lie.
On God, I ain't gonna lie. I've never like been in the video like this.
Mm-hmm.
Blindfolded.
First time for everything.
Yeah,
I
man.
know, yeah.
Ready to start?
So,
We are ready.
Yeah, man. Continue.
Yes or no?
No.
Not too bad though.
Alright, yes.
That sound was crazy.
Wow.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
That's not too bad.
Oh my God, no, that top is crazy.
That'll be good with milk.
Probably like some curry powder or some shit.
Ah. Oh my God.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I started bad.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You.
Joel, you suicidal.
Yes.
This nigga saying yes to everything.
Oh my God. You know what's crazy? Like, you can't even imagine what it is.
You can't.
You can't. On God. You think it is, but like,
You know what? You decided to be inside that chair. We could have stopped.
Mm-hmm. I don't give a fuck.
Yes or no?
No.
damn. Yes.
Oh, no.
Yes or no?
No.
Oh my, I perceive
No.
hot chocolate, hot
No.
chocolate.
No?
Uh-uh.
What did you say?
Yes or no?
Niggas in accuracy.
No, muting, no,
You say
No.
yeah?
No.
no,
I say no.
Neither of you know?
no. With muting, no. Anything muting brings, no.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Hey,
That's egg, man.
that top is crazy.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes. You wanna trick me, nigga?
Blessed.
Oh God.
Blessed.
My God.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You already said yes.
I didn't say.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I said yes. Did you pour it in?
Technical difficulties.
Okay.
Open it.
Hey, it's brand new. That should give you some type of, you know.
Yeah. Yes.
Who said it? Favorite said yes too.
I said no, nigga.
He said no. I said
Yo.
yes.
Damn. This shit looks crazy.
It looks crazy.
No, I'm not seeing it. Like, it feels like it look. It feels like it look crazy, bro.
Yes or no?
No. No.
Yes.
No.
Oh my God. I hate this squeezy.
Yo, you're killing me, bro.
I mean, that's fine.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Muting, no.
Yes. Yes.
Hey, bro.
Yes.
You spin, bro.
Why you fucking all of me, bro? Fucking all of me, bro. The fuck?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Who's that?
Oh my god.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God. I made a mistake. Oh no. Oh no.
What did you guys do?
Oh no.
Why is everybody else tripping? That looks good.
Oh, you going to hell.
All right.
Yes or no?
No. No.
No. No. I know what that is. I perceive it. That's
No.
Tostitos.
What is that?
No.
Nigga, say smell. Why are you saying perceive?
Bro, like, it's word choice. It's word choice. It's so artistic.
Yo, leave me alone, nigga.
So creative.
Thank you.
Fabulous.
Yes
The
or
fuck?
no?
No.
Where's that? Brooklyn? Is that Brooklyn?
Yeah.
No. No.
No. No.
That's probably one of your good ones you could put.
Ouch.
Yes or no?
No.
No.
Newton, no.
I don't trust you.
Let me know when this is the last one.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You're playing mind games, bro. That shit is hard.
Oh no, that was crazy.
Yes or no?
Milton, yes.
No.
You was. I'm not
Milk.
gonna tell you who is wise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got you.
All right.
Oh my god.
This one plugged in?
What? No, I don't think so.
Like, that's not bad, right?
I know.
That's not bad.
You got an egg, bro. You got an egg in yours.
Ooh, martini glass.
Wow.
You got a nice little smoothie.
Smell yours. Smell yours.
Not bad.
Nah. Smell mine, bro. Hot chocolate and lemon, bro.
I don't want yours. Fuck that shit.
I'm good. I don't want yours. I'll rather take mine and
Yeah.
yours.
Still recording, right?
Yo, just see out the whole fucking blender.
Can I get a cup, please?
Yeah, I found some martini glass. Piece of shit.
Oh my god. There's something green in mine.
Mine's perfectly blended.
You guys put
I'm
parsley
that
flakes in mine, bro?
Perfectly what?
Parsley.
No, I don't know. I don't know no
Do
price.
you even have
My shit look alright, and
Damn.
my shit look calm. Like look at shit. Yeah, pour that shit.
Fuck.
That look like some Bushman.
Yeah. Please, thank you.
I want you to see it. I want you to see it.
I
Bro,
wanna
Bushman, like my shit like gentle.
It's crazy.
I don't fucking die that shit, but
Well, that's slimy.
you pulling it up? Oh shit! Hey, yo, put it one time. One time. Cheers.
For the gram, eh?
Yeah. What? Protect me.
Don't be a bitch.
Well, am I drinking this shit? My move.
Go ahead.
Don't care about me. Do yours.
Cheers.
Alright.
Three.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you gotta finish yours now.
It's actually good.
Oh,
Plop! Plop!
You said fuck you. Bro, you fucking
It is good though. It is good though. I don't fight. What side is though?
You got good.
Fuck no. Hell nah, boy.
honestly, probably the whole rotten banana we put in yours.
Yo, that
But this tastes-
would have done it.
This tastes good though.
Yeah, we
Plus.
just made a
No.
banana smoothie. Fuck.
Are you joking? Nigga, I saw one side that
Taste
shit.
this though.
There's
I'm sure
what?
it's good.
Taste. Trust me. Taste no, dude. Taste.
I'm done.
It is-
T1. Thank you.
It's only that
Thank
one,
you.
though.
See you guys in the next video.